This video guide is about removing the fake human verification alerts that come from the website newswexevo.com. Newswexevo.com is a deceptive site that attacks many browsers today. It targets Google Chrome, Firefox, and other browsers too. Newswexevo.com tries to make you click on this special allow button, supposedly to help you confirm that you are not a robot. The reality is that to click on allow is extremely risky, and because of that, you may be forwarded to some other junk sites, some filthy sites. Plus, you may start getting the great portion of advertisements in the right part of your computer screen. So if you have clicked on the allow button, that was definitely a mistake, and this mistake needs to be urgently fixed. Access the menu of the browser. The menu, by the way, looks as this circle with 3 vertical dots. Go to Settings, select Security and Privacy, then Site Settings. Go down to Permissions, choose Notifications. Pay very careful attention to all the websites that are allowed to send notifications. Once you find this newswexevo.com, make sure you delete this junk site from the list. And also you may remove other malicious sites if they are causing similar troubles. I would also recommend that you additionally investigate your computer with the help of Combo Cleaner, the reliable antivirus software that you may get on the page combocleaner.com. Use this green download button, install the application, and start researching your system with its help. After you have successfully downloaded and installed Combo Cleaner antivirus, it will be in the trial mode, so only the quick scan option is available. Click on Start Scan button. The program will first of all update its antivirus database for proper malware detection and elimination. You will notice that most likely the program will start identifying certain threats on your computer. While the scanning is taking place, you may experiment with some of the settings of Combo Cleaner antivirus. For instance, there is a special feature called anti-ransomware, which is the part of the premium license. Anti-ransomware feature of Combo Cleaner helps you to add one or several folders on your system that will be protected against all sorts of ransomware attacks. Then, after the scanning has been completed, you'll see the detailed summary of threats that were found during the scanning. The summary will show you the name of the threat and its exact location on your computer. You'll be able to remove each threat manually by going to these locations, or you may consider upgrading to the premium license to remove these threats automatically.